Analysis review. What are the analysis which is done in CATIA GPSGS? Those post-processed results we can visualize with the help of this DMU engineering analysis review, in which it will use to easily access and review the analysis result generated through the CATIA analysis suites of products or result created by third-party CA applications, which is component applications architecture of CATIA. Using a digital mockup, this product takes the integration of design analysis to new level with the ability to check interference and perform measurements between the deformed shapes and surrounding solid parts. This ensures that this part will operate within its expected limits in loaded and unloaded conditions with respect to the boundary conditions and loading condition, it means. So it will access of analysis result for non-specialist. Non-specialist means who are not dedicated for this CAE peoples. Designer also we can designer also can access these results, or any project leaders or managers we can say those they can say the results in Viewer, DMU Viewer for review purpose. Animation of analysis results, they can animate results, automatic detailed report generations, advanced DMU review. So analysis data browsing, geometry feature based pre-processing spaces, FEM based data images. So these images we can visualize with the help of this DMU product. Standard analysis tools, automatic HTML reporting of analysis cases. Same is possible in GPSGS also, but for review purpose they can see here. Wide range of post-processing tools, integration to digital mockup for space analysis, fitting, player, or publishing tools. Publishing tools means we can mark up some annotations or some text in the review tools, in review folder. And it doesn't require any GPSGS prerequisite. Here, if you see here, these are the images we have created. If you see here, DMU engineering analysis review. This is the workbench. In this workbench, what are the review purpose tools are there? It will be available here. We can generate the image for one existing images we can generate, or we can generate the report with the help of these toolbars. We can add the images and we can save at specific locations, static case or frequency case. So here the same results will be inside this available. Even though we can animate, suppose this one message we have to animate, we can see where the stress is moving. So at this corner, the red color is more stress concentration area, and this scale will be available here. This scale is available here for translation and displacement, and this for stress. We can see maximum and minimum with respect to material, or we can see the information of this one message stress. So what are the frequencies there, or we can see in static case, we can see here. Set as current. Here we can see and we can get the information regarding this. So maximum stress will be this and yield strength will be this. So it is going out of range and factor of safety. So this model is going to fail at this location where the maximum stress is coming. So we need to change the design. So these capabilities are available with the help of this DMU engineering review analysis. So we can review here, we can publish all those reports.